Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can delete your Facebook page. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Facebook page account. Once you're there, you simply click on your profile. After that, you click on privacy and settings. Once you're there, you click on what settings. It is going to take you to another page where you simply need to click on what privacy. After that, you click on Facebook page information. So once you're there, you scroll down and you simply click on what deactivation and deletion. After that, you simply click on delete. You click on what continue. So you make sure you read this out. So I'll simply click on what continue. After that, you simply need to insert your Facebook password. Once you're done with that, you click on what continue. Sorry. After that, you make sure you read this out. It is going to take 30 days for your page to automatically leave Facebook. That is for Facebook to automatically delete your page. I'll click on continue. No. So guys, we are just on deleting that Facebook page. So as you can see, we don't longer see it here again. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below.